In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing options on this device. Text correction options are very helpful while operating any smartphone on daily basis. The only problem is they are really difficult to find, so today I will show you exactly where to find them and then how to access them much faster in the future. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down to tap on System section. Select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now finally, after tapping on text correction, you can manage all of those however you want to. You can also use this switcher next to Show Suggestion strip if it's not already on, and then launch your keyboard. Thanks to Suggestion strip, you'll be able to click on this gear icon at the top of it and access text correction options right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!